Well, hello. Yeah, we have an extra tomato. It's a heart tomato. And I got it from my daughter-in-law. When you cut it open, it's supposed to look like it has a little heart in there. So we're going to put it in here, and that's not a very good view. Yeah, I'm trying to work on my visuals here. Yeah, I know. Leaves a lot to be desired. Anyway, so we're going to put that in here. And then we're going to put in, it's a purple green bean. I don't know. She gave it to me, and I thought, well, why not? So that's what we're going to do. It's pretty simple, actually. What isn't simple is trying to get these angles. Anyway, this is new soil with a little bit of the other older soil underneath. And it's just Miracle-Gro soil. It was all I could find at the store really that interested me. Ooh, look at that. Oh, those are my toasties. Ah, some of you know about my toasties. There we go. There we go. Nothing really special about it. Not really. What's kind of strange is combining these two together, but I'm running out of space. And I'm trying to organize things a little bit better so I can make another grow area. Or 2 or 3. Can you still see that? Everything is growing so nicely. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I can't take any credit for this. This is all from my daughter-in-law. So, we have a purple green bean. And a tomato that's supposed to have a heart. Wouldn't that be nice? Where's my water? I am going to do my irrigation, water drip irrigation video. I just needed to take care of these little things first. And I've been kind of inundated lately. But that's just simply there, and I'm just saying hello. And I will show you, oh, you're going to be surprised when you see the update this month. But I got a few other things to bring to you, and I'll talk to you later. You have a lovely day. Bye.